We now install the ratchet. It is the part labeled 1 in the print file shown below. It is attached at the top right with a washer on the front. We need another washer on the back. The ratchet is attached from the front using a 20mm M3 screw. The ratchet is then screwed tight from the rear. Only tighten the nut so that the ratchet can move easily. Now attach the tension spring that keeps the ratchet under tension. The spring is attached to the ratchet and the housing with one M3x8 screw each. Step 2 is now complete.